How to turn on YouTube parental control on your mobile and desktop. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn on your parental controls in 4 easy ways. Okay, so let's get started. First up, you're going to go to your Google home page and you're going to type in YouTube Kids. Okay, then you can set up YouTube Kids on your desktop. You can also download the app on the App Store. Okay, it'll give you the option as a parent, and you can just follow all of the easy steps to get an account. Okay. Once you've opened the account, it'll give you the options to choose what you want your kids to watch. So you have all of these many options, and that is our first method. The next option that you have is that you can create a shared Google account. This will enable you to monitor what your kids watch and look at their YouTube history. Okay, so what you're going to type in on your Google homepage is accounts.google.com/sign up, and you're going to search that, and it will give you the option, okay, to put your child's name in. And you can just complete the questions. It's going to ask you for basic information, and you can just fill that in, okay? And then it will set up a Google account for them, which you can log in as well. This will enable you also to monitor and restrict what your child watches and what not. The third option is to turn on your restricted mode on your child's account or your YouTube account that is a shared account. Okay, so how you're going to do this is you go to the top right corner, click on your profile icon, go down to restricted mode, click on that, and then you can just turn it on. The final option that you can use is to go to the Play Store and you can download Google Family Link. This is an app that will help you to set screen time limits on YouTube and Google, guide them to age-appropriate content, protect their privacy, and secure their account, and many more. You can read through all of the information and the perks that it provides. Okay guys, I hope this was helpful. Please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, comment. How did this help you, and would you use any of these techniques?